The importance of clean energy is becoming increasingly evident in our lives, and now, let us introduce you to an innovative solar panel mounting system, the Winsun Ballasted System. The Winsun Ballasted Mounting System is specially designed for installing solar panels on flat roofs without the need for an wide drilling, ensuring the integrity of your roof. The Winsun Ballasted Mounting System by Everlasting prioritizes convenience and safety during the installation process. Its practical design, combined with pre-assembled components, simplifies on-site installation, making it faster and easier. The system boasts several advantages, including simple structure, convenient and quick installation, optimized load distribution through rails, higher load-bearing capacity with long-edge installation, and all products pre-assembled for easier on-site installation. Choose the Winsun Ballasted Solar Mounting System and let's move towards a cleaner and more sustainable energy future together. Contact us to learn more.